In this video, you'll learn the benefits of reverse mentoring. A diverse workforce is required to stimulate innovation, cultivate creativity, and steer business strategies. Reverse mentoring empowers a diverse range of employees to share their opinions, ideas, knowledge, and experiences on a level playing field. Reverse mentoring creates an environment of trust, belonging, understanding, support, and encouragement. Here are a few other benefits of reverse mentoring. Knowledge transfer. Entering into cross-generational relationships allows for specific knowledge and experience to be passed on to other generations. Increased millennial retention. Reverse mentoring provides the opportunity to contribute and have the impact that millennials desire. Demonstrates value. Provides an opportunity for millennials to understand the value they can bring to the organization, ultimately keeping them engaged at work. Compound growth. Both parties get equally equipped. Millennials want insights that Google can't give them. Other generations will benefit by understanding what's next. Fresh perspectives. Young mentors can offer insights into their target market, help define a brand voice via social media, or provide advice on digital best practices. Diminish stereotypes. Varying viewpoints and assumptions across generations can transform into awareness and appreciation. Cohesive communication. Clear and focused communications are the result when generations are intentional about connecting. Sharing satisfaction. Individuals gain satisfaction when sharing helpful and valuable information. Diversity inclusion. Diversity initiatives help employees learn cultural awarenesses in order to create inclusive corporate culture and understand their importance to the organization. It's essential that any organization help its employees acquire knowledge, skills, and expertise. Reverse mentoring is an exceptional way to organize, create, and distribute knowledge. It supports topical learning between individuals and groups. The hidden benefit of reverse mentoring. When leaders decide to engage in reverse mentoring, they have a golden opportunity to model the communication skills that millennials desperately need and provide the leadership development they want. Leaders can display firsthand the power of a firm handshake, the benefits of strong eye contact, appropriate body language, how to craft inquisitive questions, the importance of continuous learning, and much more. Reverse mentoring is a win-win. It creates opportunities for millennials to improve their communication skills and develop professionally, while leaders get the added benefit of learning from the next generation. Thanks for watching. I hope this content was insightful and useful. As a top-ranked Millennial and Generation Z speaker and an Inc.com columnist, I help organizations lead, engage, and sell to the emerging generations, as well as helping them leverage today's workplace trends. If you'd like to have me speak to your organization or at your association, click the link in the description to begin that conversation. Also, if you'd like to learn more strategies and insights like the ones shared in this video, click the link in the description to grab your copy of my latest book, The Millennial Manual, the complete how-to guide to manage, develop, and engage millennials at work. And lastly, click subscribe to ensure you don't miss any future videos. Thanks again, and bye for now.